can you see this channel? Did you like it? Of course. Now we're gonna do this girl. No. Let's open it and see what's inside. What's inside? This is the girl. Here's the things. Let's open it. I need help. Help me, Erin. Share and subscribe. Now I see somewhere. Come on out here. There's both dolls inside. See what I do? Go away. Go, go, go. Can you see this stick? We wanted to make wood in this square. It's like a clothes. We want to make with them a dress. Look. Purple. It's purple. You see this? It's perfect. Where's the purple? It's the purple. See this square? We're gonna put it here. We're gonna stick it. Perfect. Another square. Another square. Perfect. Another square. Another square. Perfect. Another square. Another square. Oh yeah, oh, yes, yes. Where is the dress? Where is the dress? I can't see it. I can't see it. Did you see the dress? Here. Mommy is fixing it for me. Mommy is fixing it for me. Do you see? We gonna dress. We're gonna do. We're gonna do a dress or graphic. Graphic. Can you see the shapes? Did you know a square? A triangle is like a cheese. The circle is like a moon. Even a sun. Even a sunny sunset. Did you know of songs? Can you let me hear a song? Yes, of course. Okay, bravo. Now your turn. Lapa cherry, 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 cherry. That cherry is so yummy. Yum, yum, yummy on my tummy. Now is your turn. Great song. I can tell you a story. Once upon a time, one day we have a girl. Her dress is broken. We go to her grandma and her grandma fixes it for her. Then the princess said, I'll fix it for you. The first thing the girl said, "What's your name?" The princess said, "My name is Princess Judy." Then Princess Judy said, "What a beauty dress! But this is there a hole. I'll fix you the dress." Abracadabra boo. The dress is fixed. It's not a real story. It's just a dreaming story. Did you know what mean a dream? Stay with our video. Stay with our video. Like and share, subscribe on our channels. I'm the best one, right? You are the best kids. Now I have the last. Let's make them. See? Had a move. Daddy. I love Mama. I'm done. Wow! Can you see that? So sparkly. Did you see this little ring? Even this little hairs. Even the strass. Do you see the model? Even the sparkly hair. And her mouth is so small. Even her eyes is blue and so nice. Even her clothes. So like and share and subscribe.